Shout out, shout out, shout out. This is a salute to my boy She, because we talking about here for the grind. And not just she, but all of us. And shout out to actually Big Discussion 76, Dr. Dunbar. He had a discussion about salt and the effects of salt on the black community with Dr. Surrender. I can't remember the gentleman's last name. But he did a decades-long study on sodium or table salt in the black community and how it has an effect on, apparently, heart disease is now the leading killer in the black community above even tobacco. So, we see that, we realize that, and there are small changes that we can make since we are some of the the most sodium not sodium resistant, but sodium sensitive people on earth, right? So how do you make those small changes? Well, look, if we're gonna make changes, it's not gonna be something that you just throw out all your junk food and overnight you're better. That's not how the real world works. How the real world works is you got to slowly but surely implement things, right? So how do you slowly but surely implement things? Well, one of those ways is you do things like I'm doing right now. So when I first moved over here, there was this vegan restaurant that I used to go to often. And I figured, you know what? Let me go to them again today. Because last week I went to them and they were slapping. And it's black owned. I obviously like to support black owned businesses, but outside of that, I like a good meal. Hopefully they're open. I didn't see what time they open, and they are open. So here it is, 9th Square Market, Caribbean style vegan cuisine, and it's vegan, real Rasta, and it's delicious. So let's come in here and order us some. I know. Yeah, let me see. Hold on. Oh, we got the yams too. Oh, that mac and cheese look good. Yeah. How you doing? I don't know how many items I want. I don't know if I want 3 or 5 this time. But see, last time I had the brown stew chunks and I went crazy. I'm definitely having the brown stew chunks. And the curry mixed vegetables. But now the question is, do I want to do the rice? Yeah, and the rice and peas. But now do I do a side of mac and cheese or do I do a side of yams? Mac and cheese? The medium. Yeah. So look, y'all. Yes, and the curry mixed vegetables. Yeah. Thank you. So in here we got some brown stew beef chunks. Well, it's not beef, but brown stew vegetable chunks. Some jerk tofu. Some candied yams. Some curry mixed vegetables. And some vegan mac and cheese. Here for the grind. Salute.